your girl, and this is the final video that I am putting out there of this year. This is just like a little montage I've put together of images that I've been collecting over the year of the stuff that I've made. Some you will have seen in my YouTube, some you won't have seen that I haven't filmed, and some you will see soon. Just the image hasn't, the clips haven't been released onto my YouTube yet. But the main reason for me actually wanting to do this video was just to say a massive thank you to you guys for sticking around, supporting me, watching me, commenting, sharing, just being my reason to smile and keep going and doing this YouTube stuff. It's actually been really enjoyable for me this year, and I hope it has for you too. So all I want to say is a massive thank you, and I hope you stick around for 2022 for my journey there, and hopefully it'll be just as good, if not better. So I really hope you have a good Christmas, enjoy that time with family and friends celebrating, and here's the montage that I've rolled. So Merry Christmas, and here you go!